When it comes to accessing essential construction and industrial machinery, Car Services Ltd is your go-to solution. Whether you're looking to rent or buy, we've got a vast selection of equipment at your fingertips, from powerful excavators to handy office tools. What sets us apart? Our free ad listings make it easy for both sellers and buyers to connect without breaking the bank. Plus, our mobile app ensures you can explore and manage equipment anytime, anywhere. Now, let's talk about the options. Renting is cost-effective and flexible, perfect for short-term projects without the hassle of maintenance. On the other hand, buying is a smart long-term investment, giving you ownership and potential tax benefits. So why wait? Download the Car Services Ltd app today and start exploring, connecting, and listing for free. Your next project is just a click away.